Hello, it's Mrs. Morrow. Tomorrow is a very special day. Is it your birthday? No. Is it Halloween? No. What is tomorrow? It feels special. It feels like something really exciting and really special is starting tomorrow. Maybe I'll ask my friend Ricardo. Ricardo, the raccoon, hello. Guys, this is Ricardo. He likes to hang out in the classroom, and I bet he'll meet with us a bunch of times. Ricardo, what's tomorrow? I keep forgetting. You're so right. Tomorrow is the first day of kindergarten. So, I hope you and your new little stuffy friend will join me tomorrow for our first day of kindergarten. I'm really excited to meet you and see your faces and talk about a bunch of things and learn a bunch of things. We're going to have a wonderful time. So I thought Ricardo and I would read you a story tonight. The story is called Our Class is a Family. There's a little glare, so I'm going to turn it. There we go. Our class is a family. Give me a thumb up if you live with a family. I live with a family. We're going to talk about that a little bit tomorrow. So, our class is a family. By Shannon Olson. Like this. I'll make sure that you can see. I'm going to turn a little bit. There we go. Okay. So, go this way. Okay, we got it. When you think of a family, you might picture one in a house. A mom, a dad, and a couple of kids, plus their dogs, and a pet mouse. I do not have a pet mouse. Do you have a pet mouse? No. Perhaps you think of a grandma, or a stepmom and stepdad. It could be those 14 cousins, or the twin who makes you mad. But family doesn't have to be who you're related to. It can be another special group who love and care for you. Have you ever thought where most of your time is spent? It's at school, with us. That's where those hours went. So if our classroom is the place where we spend our days, why wouldn't we want to make it like a home in many ways? It's a place where we can show respect and kindness to each other. What do those words respect and kindness mean? We'll talk about that more this week, maybe. It's a place where we can show respect and kindness to each other. A spot where we can be ourselves and make memories with one another. We'll have things in common. Those are connections. Can you make that sign? We're going to learn that sign. Stick out your thumb and your pinky. Point your thumb to you, like to your nose. And when I go like that, it means I connect to what you're thinking or sharing or how you're feeling. So we'll make connections. But we'll still celebrate our differences and what makes us each unique. Unique, I think that means special, doesn't it? Special and different. Our classroom is a special haven or place where it's okay to make mistakes. Definitely. We learn from them and try again, no matter what it takes. We'll all have tough days sometime, but your teacher, me, is here for you. And as long as you're a friend to others, your peers or classmates will be there too. Absolutely. So nobody has to be perfect, but we'll try our best and maybe say we're sorry if we make a mistake, right? In this classroom, we'll stick together. We'll help each other learn and grow in any kind of weather. So on sunny days or rainy days, we're going to learn and grow together. So let's always remember what a great team we can be. You have our back, and we have yours. We're a classroom family. Kindergarten, I am so excited to meet you tomorrow. We are going to have a wonderful year. So I will see you bright and early, okay? Do you want to maybe say goodbye to Ricardo real quick? Ricardo, do you want to wave goodbye?
Please excuse the interruption, John. We have an alarm